Okay. So here is the example. So let's write all that down, and then I'll walk through with you, and we can talk a little bit about how we use proportions here. Okay, so what they're telling us okay. So basically what they've told us is this elevator can travel 150 feet in 5 seconds. They want to know how long it takes to travel 1,029 feet. So if you take a look at this, don't jump ahead, stick with me here, because I want to make sure we understand this. What we are comparing, we're comparing the distance traveled and amount of time. That's the information that we are comparing. Now, you obviously are not going to have to write it down all the time, but it's important for you to take a moment to figure out on the high school placement test, on the SAT, on the ACT, on any test, they're not going to say use proportions to solve. You're going to have to determine if you can use proportions to solve. So this is what you are doing. You're saying, okay, I have a relationship between feet and seconds that I know. All right? They may say to you, find the speed, and then it's not proportions. Or they may say to you, find the speed of the elevator. So then that would not be a proportions problem. But I could still be given that first set of information. What makes this proportions problem is they give us another set of the same type of information. So now this, because I have an unknown relationship between feet and speed, or time, now I know I have proportions. So set up your known ratio. So I'm going to say 150 feet, 5 seconds. It does not matter which goes in the numerator and which goes in the denominator, as long as the same thing in the other ratio follows. So what should I write as my unknown ratio? Ashley? Excellent. How do we solve proportions? L? Absolutely. We're always going to cross multiply. All right, this is when you thank God that you have a calculator. All right, so if I multiply 1029 times 5, I end up with 150x is equal to 5,145. I'm going to divide that by 150, and I believe x is going to be equal to 34.3. Okay, so now you've got to say to yourselves, x is my number of seconds. Do I want it? Can I have 34.3 seconds? Yeah, so that's going to be my answer. And then I'm going to put it in a sentence. The elevator will take, you can say this any way you want. I'm just going to say we'll take 34.3 seconds to get to the observation level. or something like that. Okay? You guys cool? Okay. I'm going to have to post 2 videos for this one, so I'll have both of them up.